Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A74, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. And to get started, you will want to open up the Contacts application right over here in the Google folder. So make sure you open up the standalone version of the application, and from here you want to tap on three bars, go to Settings, and scroll down to Import option, select that you want to import from SIM card. And from here you should see all the contacts that are on your SIM card. By default, they will all be selected, assuming they are not already on your device. If they are, the contacts that are already on your phone will be checked off and grayed out, so you won't be able to check them on. The device is basically stopping you from creating duplicate files or duplicate contacts. So anyway, also you can disable contacts that you don't want, like so. And once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, click on the Import option. Remove copies from SIM card. Now I'm gonna keep them. You can remove those contacts from the SIM card when you import them. It seems a little bit redundant, so I decided to skip this. But anyway, as you can see, I imported 3 contacts right here, so the contacts that were selected, and that is how you would do it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.